More than 60% of our work today that we do at TapAV is happening around designing cinema solutions for media rooms. Now, the reason why this concept of media room is gaining so popularity is very, very simple, and that is exactly why I want to address this in my today's video. 10 years ago, there was a big demand for having home theaters in the living room. Now, we all saw how the TVs were sold with the sound bars or these kind of concept. And the reason for that was very, very simple. Living room already has a TV, it already has a sofa, it already is been used by everybody in the house. And that is where the demand for having a good quality sound system with the TV became very, very popular. But then people realized that living room has too many constraints. It has got too much of ambient light. You cannot blast off the music, especially because it is going to connect to your kitchens, dining areas, and the other bedrooms of the house. The next problem that the living room had, that everybody wanted to have their own piece of demand or content to be seen on the TV, which is why people realized that without having any control on the content or the streaming, enjoying home theaters in the living room is very, very difficult. That is where this control came in the format of media room. Now, with so many limitations in the living room, let us understand why a dedicated media room for all of this really works better in today's time. Now, let's talk about the content. Now, OTT streaming has become an oxygen for each of us, and that is where you have got new movies released on the OTT platforms, which gives you a great experience if you have a room where you can control the entire environment. The second is the gaming culture. The gaming culture is really picking up a lot, and I can see so many people who are buying home theater setups or projector screens, especially for gaming. The third is for people who love to watch sports. We are in the month of July 2026, and we can already see there are so many sports activities happening around the world. There's FIFA World Cup, there's British Grand Prix, there's Hungarian Grand Prix, then we have the Wimbledon finals happening. So there's so much of sports content that you can enjoy on a nice big screen. And lastly, the web series. Now, these web series are the ones which actually put you hooked onto the screens, and that can definitely be enjoyed when you are sitting in a room where you can have a big screen, have a nice surround sound, and then you feel as if you're part of that system. Now, this feeling is possible much more better in a dedicated media room. Now, these are not flashy home theaters, these are not dark rooms. These can be warm. These can be rooms where you have got control on the sitting arrangement. These are the rooms where you have control over the sound, you have control over the lights, and you have control over the acoustics. So that is why the media concept or the media room concept is really picking up a lot in India. And we all have one bedroom in our house which is at spare. It can be used as a guest room come cinema room. It can be a multi-purpose room. It can be used as a work from office setup. So that is where the media room gives you the best freedom to have a home cinema experience. But to make this home cinema experience come alive into a media room, I see many people struggle. The reason being, they forget to ask the most important questions. I see so many people asking the main common questions like, which is the best projector that I should use? Which is the best speaker for me in this room? Well, that's not how you would go about it. You have to first understand the entire layout of your media room. Once you understand the layout, you have to understand the limitations that you would have. Let's say there's windows coming up where the speaker has to be. Let's say if the wall where you want to plan for the screen has got a door or is very, very short. So all of these constraints need to be addressed before you jump on selecting the products. And that is exactly what we do. Like day before yesterday, we had a client who was looking to convert his terrace into a media setup, and he wanted to close that entire structure, put up some walls, and then go around it. Now we had more than 3 hours of conversations revolved around the layouts. Now, once the layout was finalized, then it became a cakewalk for us to finalize on the products. And that is exactly how your approach has to be if you're planning to convert any media room into a cinema room. Now, that is the only reason why I keep telling everyone that dedicated media rooms are coming back. And they are coming back for the ones who desire to have a larger than TV kind of experience, who demand to have a great immersive sound system. And for all of that, all you need to have is one spare room at your disposal, which can be a multi-purpose room. It can be an office setup where you are going to use the office only during the day but want to convert it to a home theater experience at night. It can be a play area, it can be your gym room, it can be a meditation room. But having that media room where the lights go down, the sound opens up, is something which is the need of the hour, especially for the ones who are living in the apartments and do not have a luxury of putting a dedicated cinema room. So if you have already identified the room in your house and if you want to start planning for this media room, then don't forget to check the link that is shared in the description as well as in the pinned comment, because we here at TapAV super specialize into creating such fancy home cinema setups in media rooms as well as in dedicated cinema rooms, and we would be more than happy to help you design one. Thank you so much for watching. I Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Till then, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Bye bye.